Want to play the Imposter word game, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Imposter game app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download the Imposter app, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type Imposter into the search bar. Tap Imposter Party Word Game when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start playing the Imposter game. That's all it takes to download the Imposter game app. Want to try out another fun game app? Check out our full playlist of mobile game tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.